Hello everybody, here with another how-to video, how to install both Terraform and OpenTofu. You can run them side by side, no problem, and their installation methods are also largely, well, they are pretty much the same really. I'm going to go to the developer.HOWTO website, I'm going to download the Windows binary, so it's going to be a zip file, OpenTofu, the same thing. Let's see, it's got standalone here. There is a Windows PowerShell script that you could use, but not everybody's Windows installation is allowed to run these scripts. So they point you to the GitHub releases page where you can download. Now scroll all the way to the bottom for the Windows AMD64.zip. It's going to be downloaded. Right. First, what we need to do is create a new folder on the C drive. Because these tools don't come with an actual installer, so we're going to create a new folder which we're going to add to the path so that you can run it from within command box or PowerShell. And then we're going to say Terraform unzip extract all into the new tools. Go extract. Yep, that's fine, thank you. And here I'm going to do the same thing. Browse to tools, select folder, gone. Fine, so I've got Terraform and Tofu and a bunch of other files which we don't really need. We're just going to leave them anyway. Now, what we need to do is, so what we need to do now is to add them to the system path so you can run them from a command box or a PowerShell box. I'm going to go right click, system, scroll down, advanced system settings, environment variables, and on the bottom box where it says system variables, I'm going to go double click path, say new C : // tools, enter, done, okay, okay, okay. Go, run a new command box, say tofu, and that works. That's and Terraform, same thing, works. Excellent. Thanks very much, and bye-bye.